Good afternoon, West Michigan, and happy 4th of July. I hope you're having a great holiday so far. And today, well, I gotta say the weather couldn't be any more perfect for the 4th of July. Today, warm, muggy, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Of course, we started out with some dense fog this morning, and that's since dissipated. We have enough low-level moisture left over, though. We could see an isolated shower or perhaps a thunderstorm develop in the area later this afternoon into the early evening. There's really 10 to 20% chance of that, so chances are pretty small, but they're not non-existent, so keep that in mind as you head out the door. We do have steamier and stormier weather starting tomorrow. In fact, I think the chances for rain will improve across the area tomorrow and again on Sunday. And Saturday will be a little warmer than today, but on many levels it'll be very similar to today, and the chances rain aren't zero, but they're really quite small. Check out these temperatures. We started out this morning with readings in most places in the low 60s, currently 75 in Grand Rapids, 72 Fremont, 69 is the cool spot in our inland areas up around Big Rapids, but you can see along the lakeshore those beach temperatures are holding back in the 60s, and that will continue to be the case here all day today. Now, as we check out Storm Track Live radar, the rainfall is well off to the east, and you'll see that here on this Futurecast computer models, really keeping the precipitation chances very minimal across the area today. This computer model starts at 7 o'clock this evening, so almost those fireworks times, and you can see here that most areas do stay dry. Maybe an isolated shower down around Hillsdale, east-southeast of Jackson and Coldwater, and over toward the Detroit area. As we head into the overnight period into early tomorrow morning, you'll actually see those showers that get just a little bit more concentrated in and around Metro Detroit and back to the west. And then during the day tomorrow, we actually start to see a little more of that rain showing up across the areas from now about Ann Arbor to just south of Flint and again over toward Detroit. What happens during the day tomorrow then is that area precipitation continues to shift back to the west, and that's why we'll see an increased amount of chances here for some rainfall. Southwesterly winds out on the Big Lake today. Waves calm to just a foot or two. Rip current risk is low, but I would say with water temperatures only in the 50s, definitely pay very careful attention if you're heading out to the lakeshore. The holiday weekend, breaking it down for you day by day, about a 10 to 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm today. Better chances coming up for tomorrow and also for Sunday. You can see temperatures warm into the mid to even upper 80s for highs, lows down into the 60s. And then as we head into the early part of the next week, we actually have a pattern shift that'll be going on in the atmosphere. The storm track will actually shift into central and western lower Michigan, and what that'll mean is periods of heavy rain, and we could even see some severe weather possibilities, the potential for some really strong winds coming up along with some of those thunderstorms for early next week. So that's something we'll pay careful attention to. Fortunately, the upper level setup in the atmosphere this holiday weekend features just those isolated showers and storms with the real concentrated storminess holding off until next week. So there is a difference in how we break it down for you. So any showers and storms over the next couple of days will really be the exception more than the rule.
It's good news.
There you go. We're going to get out of here in time to watch fireworks tonight.
Oh, plenty of time. Yeah. We're not camped out like everybody in Nablin Park.
Right. That's right. Although Danny Carlson put our blanket down earlier today, right?
Or stole someone's blanket.
That's right. It says, do not move this blanket. That's where we're going to be sitting tonight.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Terry. Sure.